What's up, guys? Part 2 on the Beamer. We're going to start putting it back together. We're going to put the fan back on, a couple plastic pieces, get the headlights mounted, fill it up with coolant, just enough so we can take it for a test drive. Alright, let's do it. So back on the Beamer. Yeah. So yeah, I forgot to do this in the first video, but yeah, we took it for inspection, and this is the list. That's it. Headlight, front bumper, tires, lower control arm, rear, windshield washer, left rear wheel bearing on that same control arm, wheel bearing on the same tire, left rear. So that's a super short list. That's actually awesome. I'm really stoked about that. We should be able to get this one done quick. Okay guys, so I'm just pulling this washer pump off of the parts Beamer, and we're gonna put it onto the good one. So there we go. It's pretty simple. You just want to have something to catch the fluid here. It's just a pressure fit grommet type situation. Just kind of wiggle it out. Fluid's gonna fly everywhere. There we go. Look at that. That's why you got that there to catch it. Yeah, just like that. There's... oh no, where'd the grommet go? Yeah, we'll find it. There's a grommet on the other one, so we'll swap that in a second. No, don't get that on the camera. Yeah, so we're back at the good Beamer here. This is the pump that works. So grommet in first. Plug this little bad boy in there. It's the feed hose. And then you stick it right in like that. Boom. Should be good to go. Plug in this connector. That's basically it. We're going to slide this back up in there. But before we do all that, I'm going to put a bit of fluid in it and see if I can make it work first. Just put it like that. Boom. I hope that worked. Let's find out. Yeah, motherfucker! Yeah, motherfucker! Yeah, motherfucker! What? Yeah, motherfucker! Yeah, it's never worked before. Now, bam! Yeah, bitch! We fixed it! Hooray! That's it for today. So we got that done. Got that done. Tight. That's getting done. That's getting done. This is done. This is all basically just the tires and the left rear wheel. So we'll deal with that next time. All right, man. Peace.